and saffron, both celebrated for their distinct flavors and health benefits, offer a wide range of wellness advantages. Mood enhancement. Saffron is noted for its mood-boosting properties, often used in traditional medicine to alleviate symptoms of depression. Digestive health. Lemon juice aids digestion by stimulating stomach acids and bile production, making it easier to break down food. Skin health. The vitamin C in lemons promotes collagen synthesis, which is vital for skin health and can help reduce the appearance of aging signs. Heart health. Regular intake of lemon, with its flavonoids and vitamin C, can improve heart health by reducing blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Saffron also contributes to heart health by its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, potentially aiding in the reduction of blood pressure and the prevention of artery hardening. Ingredients: lemon, saffron,